Alright, welcome to another video. I'm gonna be using the Menyoo today. I'm gonna show you everything, or some basics at least, about the object spooner. So, object spooner, if you press F9, you go into spooner mode. This is gonna be important if you want to spawn things in, or select things. Um, Basic things, you can spawn entities into the world, and the database is what we're gonna start with. So database is all of the things that you have that are registered to your client, so your character. So if you spawn in, let's say I want to spawn in a wood box. Let's say I spawn something in. I press spawn entity. I want to spawn in an object. I search up the object, so I search up box, and then I get this random box right here. Yep. And I decide, oh, this box, I want to select it. You go into F9, you right click it, you can select it and everything. And when you spawn it in, if you can see up there, it says entity is in database. And if I remove that and go to database, it is no longer in my database. It automatically spawns in your database, however, so not something you're gonna have to worry about, but it's just basics. Alright? Entities, database, you got that? From the database, you can just go into the database and edit whatever you want. If maybe I want to edit this box, and you can go through this list on your own, but there's a bunch of different things. I can make it invisible, for example, make it fireproof, invincible. I can change the texture variation, which only works for certain things. I can make it dynamic, which means maybe it'll work better on the box actually. Make it dynamic, which make it so you can actually move it. And frozen in place is you can't move it, can't do anything with it. Okay, quite simple. You can also attach things, and this is also very important because you're gonna make vehicles through that. You can attach something to yourself like that. You can click attach to something, and I can choose either myself or the other prop over there. So I can attach this to this, and then I can maybe change it like it so that, like that. Then maybe I want to put the box in myself. So now I have a floating box above my head. But, since both my character here and the box inside of me have a collision, that means when I run, it's gonna set me back a little bit. This is not normal running. So, turn that off. And turn it off for the box. And now I'm running super smooth. There you go. That will mean that every time what? When I go near objects and stuff, it's gonna clip through objects, which I guess is bad in a sense. If you're planning on not doing that, not having it go through objects. So the main thing, you should always have it in collision. No collision. But when you're in F9 and the object you're looking at doesn't have any collision, then you're absolutely not going to be able to select it. I selected the car over there, and I can't remove it. I can't. I'm clicking as hard as I can. I can't remove it. Fuck. Fuck. I can't remove. Nah. You get it. Another thing. You can go through misc options and go to clear area. This is how you remove objects in max scale. Remove all objects. Now, I don't have it in my database anymore. because they're deleted. They're gone. And when you originally get Menyoo, it's gonna look like this. If I want to spawn something in, I'm gonna have to have model previews. But if I do that on a mass scale, like if I grab work light, for example, and I just swap in between them. Actually, I don't think. If I do target, scroll through them, eventually what's gonna happen, inevitably, in one of these props, come on, one of them, gotta do it, come on, I'm trying to showcase it. Okay, that's not working. Okay, just remember to go into settings in the object spooner, turn off model previews, because it's gonna fuck you up majorly. And obviously, if you right click something and you press delete, it's gonna delete it from the world. There. That's some of the main things you need to know. Thank you for watching the video.